All right, so today is March 14th, and that means, it's National Pie Day. Larry Shaw is the organizer of the first Pie Day celebration at the Exploratorium in San Fran. This is back in 1988. It's an annual celebration of the mathematical constant pi. 3, 1, and 4 are the most significant figures of pi, which is why we celebrate it today. So why don't we eat some pie, right? I mean, Pie Day has been observed in many ways, like eating pie, throwing pies, if you choose to do that, and discussing the significance of the number. And we can't forget, this day also marks Albert Einstein's birthday. And time right now is 6:11, and let's turn it over to real-time traffic expert Ryan Harper for a look at your morning commute. And Ryan, we're going to see shortly, but Maureen is sporting some pie earrings today, just saying.
I know, I cannot match that, Allison. Good morning at 6:11, but I can give you some good news on the traffic front. Not seeing a lot of accident activity, so that's the good news here. But just like Mo is doing, we're also paying close attention to our weather overlay right now because we do have some rain falling in some areas across Central Florida and even the I-4 corridor for that matter as well. Taking to Volusia County, we're seeing a little rain falling along the I-95 corridor near US 1, very close to Ormond Beach. And I've actually just gotten word of a minor southbound crash before that US 1 exit to watch out for. It looks like a little bit of rain falling over that area right now. But looks like some of that I-4 rain is still falling along Deltona and DeLand, so be on the lookout for that at this point in time as well. But again, no major delays to report yet, and again, no major wrecks thus far here, so we'll cross our fingers. Hopefully that remains true. This traffic update brought to you by your Central Florida Honda dealers. Marie McCann is in our weather center. Mo, show off your pie earrings for us, will you?
I know, I wear them once a year for March 14th. I actually got these for being in a friend's wedding who is a math teacher, and she married a science teacher, so being a bridesmaid, sometimes you get jewelry. Yeah, we got pie earrings, so I think I'm the only one about the bridesmaids that still wears them. But yeah, it's a very exciting day in the math science world, with today being March 14th. 70 degrees in Orlando starting out this Pie Day, but we have a little bit of rain to contend with. I'm watching it on Storm Tracker 13. And this really is the only threat of rain for the next few days. For those of you here for spring break, we are going to be in for some much brighter conditions once we get beyond these showers this morning. Let's take you in on Storm Tracker 13. These are all light areas of rain, and we're not seeing any lightning. Get the counter called up here. Now there may be a stray thunderstorm this afternoon. We interact with the daytime heating, but some of the rain that extends from Apopka to Sanford. I'll pause this and go in for a closer view. You'll see that the areas of rain and the darker blue shading here, that's where you may have some moderate showers just about to cross over the I-4 corridor. Lake Mary, Winter Springs, you're about to see some rain. Oviedo, you're getting a little bit of wet weather also over towards Geneva. Back out to the home view, southern Brevard County, mostly dry right now, but through the next few hours, you could see a little bit of light rain rolling through. So there are your temperatures again. As we approach sunrise, we're also going to be looking at the threat for some fog. Visibility reduced in Marion County. It seems to be all right everywhere else. Slightly lower Palm Coast and Daytona Beach. Don't forget that sunrise will be an hour later today after we set the clocks. So sunrise not until, I believe, 7:37 today. This afternoon, with breaks of sun coming through, we'll get to around 86 degrees, and our temperatures will easily surpass our average. The record may be just a little bit out of reach. We'll watch those temperatures closely into the afternoon. Weak disturbance rolling by, triggering these minor showers. They will be pushing throughout the day. Heaviest rain today should be south of I-4. Any minor showers should only amount to a few tenths of an inch at best. So your temperatures today are going to make their way into the low to mid 80s, although a little bit warmer Kissimmee and Palm Bay tonight. The clouds will gradually clear on out. Tomorrow, a drier and warmer day. Look at that, 88 for Kissimmee, 87 Palm Bay. So good beach weather tomorrow. We'll look at the rest of the week in close detail when I'm back next at 6:21, Allison.
All right, glad you're able to dust off those earrings, Maureen.
I know, right?
All right, let's check in right now with News 13.